The HSPDP, an ally of the NPP-led MDA coalition, has decided to constitute an election committee to prepare strategies for the 2023 Assembly polls. Informing this after the party's State Executive Committee meeting on Tuesday, the party chief, KP Pangyang, said that the election committee would have 7 members and it would be headed by a former MLA. He said that the meeting discussed at length preparedness of the party, the road ahead to strengthen its base for the Assembly elections. He also said that the meeting did not take any decision on pre-poll alliance.
The 2023 election, MLA election, we feel and we feel appropriate that as a party we need to constitute central election committee. Position of the party and how to rebuild the party, how to strengthening the party. And today we are very happy to inform you that we have received brief reports from all the district committees which we have already directed last year in the CEC to reorganize the party.
The Center for Development